In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit a column formula in Smartsheet so you can update calculations and keep your data accurate across an entire column. First, open your Smartsheet and navigate to the sheet containing the column formula you want to edit. Next, locate a cell in the column that uses the formula and click on it. Smartsheet will display the formula associated with that cell. To edit the formula, click on the formula text and make the necessary changes. You can update cell references, modify calculations, or replace one function with another depending on your needs. If the column is using a column formula, your changes will automatically apply to all rows in that column, helping maintain consistency throughout the sheet. After making your edits, press Enter to save the formula. Smartsheet will immediately recalculate the results using the updated formula. Take a moment to review a few rows and confirm the new calculations are working as expected. If needed, you can return and edit the formula again at any time. That's it. You've successfully edited a column formula in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching.